Hindi pwedeng broke ka na, mayabang ka pa. Pili ka lang ng isa. Kasi yung dalawang yun, magkalaban. Kasi nung baguhan pa lang ako sa business, broke ako. Pero merong simpleng kayabangan. May mga taong gustong tumulong. I met people, they gave me advice on what books to read. Sabi nila, basahin mo to or baka makatulong sa'yo to. So alam mo ang ginawa ko? Of course, hindi ko binasa. Naka-display lang siya, naalikabukan dun sa cabinet ko. Pag may nagbibigay ng advice, and if it's say older than me, in my head, sinasabi ko, you don't get this new technology or marketing. Pag mas bata naman sa akin, I say, kid, you don't know what you're talking about. An example was in social media marketing. Since I've been in the business for 17 years, and I never paid attention about content creation because I'm coming from the direct response marketing na experience. So I don't get yung creating content, and I felt like it was just a waste of time. But I was very wrong. I lost opportunities because of it. That is why I've been creating more content na ngayon. You know those lines sa pabiro na may konting yabang? Yung, papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako. So in other words, lagi ako may sagot from anyone who gives advice to me. Or at least sa isip ko lang. Like, alam ko na yan. But the truth is, takot lang ako. That is right. Yung yabang cover up lang sa fears ko. I don't want to admit na marami pala akong hindi alam sa pagnenegosyo. From marketing to selling to cash flow and people management. At habang nagmamarunong ako, yung mga sagot na kailangan ko for my business, dumadaan lang. Hindi ko nakikita, hindi ko naririnig. Stuck ako sa parehong lugar for years. Same problem, same income, same reasons why I cannot succeed. Yung yabang ko made me lose millions in the process. Now, isipin mo yung kamay mo. Pag naka-clench yan na ganyan, matigas, right? Na para kang handang makipag-away. Subukan mong tumanggap habang sarado yung kamay mo, right? Ng tulong, ng new knowledge, or even pera. Lahat yan hindi makakapasok. Yan ang yabang. Mukhang malakas, pero sarado. Now, on the other hand, ang humility. Bukas na palad, pwedeng tumanggap ng tulong, ng kaalaman, ng pera. You see, my friend, hindi ka mahina if you admit na meron kang hindi alam. In fact, if we stay humble, that's how we grow. So here's what happened when I start to shift my mindset. One day, may nakausap akong mas successful sa akin with millions of followers on social media. Kilala mo tong tao na to. I was in his house in Rizal and he asked me a simple question about my business. And I couldn't answer it. Nahihiya ako inside. But this time, instead of pretending na may alam ako, sabi ko sa kanya, actually, hindi ko alam eh. Can you help me? Few words lang yon, but it was not easy to admit and say those words. And it turned out to be the most important. Because from that day, nagbago ang lahat. I finally changed my marketing that I ignored for many years. I asked advice from people who are younger than me. Reach out to them and ask their opinions and experiences. I found a mentor and paid for it properly. Tinanggal ko yung yabang o yung thinking na alam ko na yan and replace it with, turuan mo nga ako. Pero alam mo kung ano yung pinakamalaki kong natutunan? Hindi yung tactics, hindi yung content marketing. Yung humility. You see, yung pera, sumusunod yan sa skill. At yung skill, sumusunod yan sa humility. Yan ang order. Kaya hindi pwedeng broke ka na, mayabang ka pa. My friend, kung broke ka ngayon, okay lang. Because that's just temporary eh. Pero maybe, that is not the root of the problem. Yung yabang na pumipigil sa iyong matuto, yun ang maaaring problema. So buksan mo ang palad mo. Learn new things. Be a student of life. If you do that, doon magbabago ang lahat.